Take a ride in the 2020 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, tire pressure monitor, running boards, power sunroof, backup camera, leather upholstery. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.